Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you people are very fit and fine. Now, today, children, we are going to start our new chapter number 6, more on division. Okay, so and before we start further, just have a look the summary of the previous chapter. Okay, students. What is division? Okay, so I told you that division is just repeated subtraction, and division is basically repeated subtraction, so related to which we had also questioned, and we came to know that why division is called as repeated subtraction. We learned the very basic terms of division, okay, and like what is dividend, what is divisor and quotient. Okay, what we had learned? Yes. Okay, and next point we came to know about some division facts. Okay, some division facts, and which we have learned that is multiplication facts, multiplication and division facts. Okay beta, and division facts. Okay, till now we have covered all these topics. Okay beta, till now we have covered all these topics, and you know beta, it is very necessary to revise the previous things. So this was the last class. Okay, अभी तक हमने समझ लिया क्या टर्म्स हैं, क्या टर्मिनोलॉजीज हैं एंड क्या क्वोशिएंट है, व्हाट इज़ डिवीज़र, व्हाट इज़ डिविडेंड. Okay, but how to solve the questions? Okay, but now we will learn that how to solve the questions of division. Okay, so now we will learn to do division with the help of an example, as always. Okay, we do. So now let's take an example. Example is 22 divided by 4. Okay beta, now we have this question 22 divided by 4. You know students, we have two methods, okay, to solve it out, which we have learned already, that is repeated subtraction. Okay, and second one is long division method. Students, long division method is most common method, and we use long division method to solve big questions. Okay, and we use repeated subtraction for solving the small questions. And so now let's solve the same question with the help of these two methods. And today we will learn a more term. Okay beta, so what is the concept of repeated subtraction? Yes, we subtract the divisor repeatedly. So let's see how. The first step will be 22 minus 4. Okay, because the divisor is 4. Okay, and the dividend is 22. So now first step will be 22 minus 4. What we get? Yes, 18. Okay beta, the next is, now this 18 will comes over here, so and minus 4 is equal to is 14. Okay, now this 14 will come over here, so 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Now 10 will come over here, and 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And now 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Students, last time the answer was 0 and then we had stopped, but now in this question what we have to do? Because we can't subtract 2, we can't subtract 4 from 2. Okay beta, so we have to stop, okay, when the value of subtraction will be 0 or less than the divisor. So here this 2 is lesser than 4, so we have to stop now. Now let's count the number of steps. Okay, so here you can see step number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So beta, how many steps are involved? 5. So the quotient will be 5. Okay, quotient will be 5 because quotient is equal to number of steps, and here 1 2 3 4 5 steps are involved, so the quotient is 5. But now we get a more term here because this subtraction is not finished. Okay beta, something is remaining, so here 2 is remaining. You can see here 2 is remaining, and what is a remainder? That is called what? Yes, that is called remainder. Here 2, so remainder, what is remainder here? It is 2. So here comes your new term, that is remainder. Okay beta, and when you are solving the question of division, then the value that is left, यानी कि 2 is left over here, and if we cannot solve it further, then this is a remainder. Okay, so here the remainder is 2. So today the term which we have learned is remainder. Okay beta, now solve this same question with the help of long division method, and this method is much more easy. So the question is 22 divided by 4. Okay, this is the question, and in this method what we have to do? Yes, we use a symbol, okay, that is Okay beta, and now here we write the dividend. Okay, here we write the dividend, that is 22. So write here 22, and here we write the divisor, and the divisor is 4. Okay beta, now let's solve it. So we have to divide 22 by 4. And students, have you learned the table of 4? आपको 4 की टेबल लर्न है बेटा? Okay, remember students, if you have not learned tables, then learn tables, because tables are really very important for division. Okay beta, so now let's solve it. Obviously you all have learned the table of 4. So now I am going to recall the table of 4. So 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16, 4 4 जा 20. Students, 4 5 जा 20 and 4 6 जा 24. But students, 24 is bigger than 22, so it is wrong. And you can see here 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16, 4 5 जा 20 and 4 6 जा 24. So 24 it is bigger than 22, so 22 is less than. But remember students, 22 4 की टेबल में तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि 22 4 की टेबल में आएगा. एंड 22 जब बिगर है, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू राइट 20 हियर. ओके, एंड नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी विल subtract. Okay, we have to subtract 20 from 22. So what we get, 2 minus 0 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So here you can see that 2 will not come in the table of 4. So it is called as remainder. Okay, and here the quotient is 6 and it is called as remainder. Sorry beta, 4 5s are 20. By mistake I have written here 6. Okay, so here you can see the quotient is what, 5, and the remainder is 2. So here you can see beta, the answer is 5 here also and here also the answer is 5. आंसर तो सेम आपका आना ही था, बट only method is changed. Okay beta, now I hope you all have understood this topic very well. Thank you and have a nice day.